In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I grow a healthy hair under a wig and also how to maintain it. If that's what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching and let's get started. So guys, the first thing on my list is low manipulation. So if I am not applying any hair treatment on my hair, I usually use hair treatment or natural remedies during my wash day or even a day before my wash days. So after that, I just put my hair up in a protective styling. So during the week, I rock wigs most of the time, so I just avoid over styling my hair, plus I don't usually have that much time to style all the time. The second thing on my list is protective styling. So for me, this is major, and it also requires keeping the hair healthy while in a protective styling. So that is what I'm about to do now, and I don't blow out my hair or stretch out my hair or anything like that. And also to avoid hair shedding, like shedding lots of hair while styling, I do a couple of things. So first, I make sure to comb in sections as I part, and also there are some few things I'll be showing you that I also do. So I usually make sure to part my hair into 2 equal sections, then roll up one and then begin with one section. So I usually do 2 to 4 weaves for each section, nothing too tiny or too big, in order for my wigs to stay flat and not appear bulky. So guys, I forgot to mention that before weaving, I usually go in with a leave-in conditioner. I apply that to the ends of my hair and then make sure to oil that section, because this makes it very easy for me, and also it helps with the tangles. And when I get to the tip of my hair, I usually like finishing up with a twist, because this makes it very easy for me to unravel my hair when it's time to take out the protective styling. So guys, when it comes to protective styling, it doesn't necessarily have to be just weaves, cornrows, or dookie braids, whatever you call it. Other hairstyles like braids and other hairstyles that are actually not high tension, that that you're very comfortable in, can actually serve as as a great protective styling. So right now, as you can see, that I'm done with one section. Onto the next section, I am applying my leave-in to the ends of my hair, and this is a very good, like, this hack is like a lifesaver. You do not want to apply the leave-in conditioner to your entire hair, because it will just end up coiling the entire hair just to the tips of your hair. It makes it very easy for me to go faster, and it also helps my hair ends a lot. It helps prevent it from getting tangled. As you can see, especially when I'm trying to weave my hair like this, it just helps the ends, prevents it from tangling up, which prevents me from yanking on my hair. And it is also very good when it comes to combing out my hair, because it helps a lot. It makes it very easy to comb out, especially the ends. So guys, this usually take me less than 30 minutes to finish up, and I want to put one thing out there, is that I am not perfect at weaving my own hair, as you can see, but it serves me okay, and this actually lasts up to 2 weeks. So when I'm done, the next thing to do is to go in with my leave-in conditioning mist. So I like to apply this onto my scalp, every area on my scalp basically. Just make sure I moisturize my scalp, and before using my oil to seal in that moisture. So next thing I'm doing here is that I'm taking that conditioner again, the leave-in conditioner, and just making sure I apply that to the ends of my hair. Guys, the ends, very important. So after that, next I went in with my oil. This is my clove oil. I recently made this because the last one I had ran out, so I make sure to use it to lubricate my scalp, apply it to everywhere that needs to be applied, and also I did not forget my edges as well as my ends. So after doing that, I make sure to tuck my ends out of the way. I don't like having my ends everywhere, so I just make sure to tuck it nicely and make use of a band to just secure it in place. So guys, the last tip I'm going to be listing is to moisturize an oil while your hair is in protective styling during the week. So for this, I can use water and a leave-in conditioner or just my leave-in mist, and then top it up with oil. I do this 3 to 4 times in a week. So I also make sure to oil my edges at intervals, and I also make sure to moisturize and oil my ends at intervals as well, because they tend to dry out so fast. So guys, these are just the simple things I do to actually grow my hair while it's in a protective styling. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.